Welcome to another low-tech simple service video. Today we'll be changing out the engine air filter on a third generation Honda Fit. And dang it if this isn't the cutest little air filter I have ever seen. This procedure will be relevant for model years 2014 through 2020. Specifically if your Fit has a front end like this. This procedure actually requires no tools. It's entirely done by hand, so you don't even need a screwdriver. It takes under 5 minutes to do, and it can save you quite a lot of money by doing it yourself. This procedure will also likely be similar on older Honda Fits as well, so follow along even if you have an earlier generation, and you'll probably come close to what you need to learn. Start by popping the hood by pulling the hood release here. Next, pull the secondary hood catch to the left, which is located under the hood when you pop it, and then lift. Now take the hood prop and place it in the designated slot on the hood. The air filter is located in this box right here. You can follow this elbow back and see the lid right here, and you'll see this little sensor here as well. Release the 4 clips that are holding this lid on. Now lift the lid off, the back first, and then slide backwards slightly, and you'll see that coupling come out there. You can now set the lid up and out of the way without even needing to unplug the sensor. The air filter has a convenient little tab here to help you get a grip on it. You see this right by my finger, and lift the old one out. As you can tell, it was definitely time to change this one. I would say this is going to be a big improvement. Drop your new air filter in place, like so, and replace the lid, being careful to make sure that this seats inside of the little rubber boot right there properly. And you'll feel it snug down and sit in its natural position. Reconnect all 4 clips. And just in case, here's a close-up of how the clip operates. It rolls into place like that. You can now release the hood prop and put the hood back down. And be sure that this is snapped back in place properly. There we have it. Your Fit is now equipped with a new engine air filter. If you have a different generation of Honda Fit, i.e. before the model year 2014, be sure to look up what part number your car does take. We chose a slightly higher end unit, being the Denso 143-3665, purchased from Rock Auto online for roughly $11. We did have to pay shipping, but we were also buying quite a few other parts at the same time, so that financially made sense. Now a dealer was going to charge us $45 for this service. We purchased this unit from Rock Auto, the Denso 143-3665, for $11, and as you saw, that was an incredibly quick swap. We've also included a link in the description below to a comparable unit available from Amazon if you are an Amazon shopper. That way you can simply click the link to buy and you know you're getting exactly the right part for a third generation Honda Fit. And that's it. That concludes this simple service video. If you found this helpful, please leave a like or comment on how it helped you. And on top of that, please consider subscribing to our channel, as we do offer other service videos on the Honda Fit. We've got a few of those queued up. Or if you're curious to see some of the other cool cars we have, we would love to have you as a subscriber. It really helps the channel grow, so please do click that subscribe button, and you can always unsubscribe anytime if you decide you don't like the content. So thank you very much, and we'll catch you on the next one.